Hey my friends, we'll be back again in this video with OSP Pro. In this short video again, I'm going to just show you how to describe. I know someone down commenting and asked me, how can you describe the database that maybe for an organization might have joined organization some time back, and then they happen to tell now to work with their databases. Now before you working with their databases, it does not mean, okay, in simple term, does not mean that now you're going to be actually creating another database. No, the things that you have to use the same database you might have found there, if at all it's mysql database, but the logic behind is that you have to know the techniques. How did the database actually created? How did the person who created spoke about the fields that are inside the database, and also to know also the real columns itself, how many are they. Now to do with such kind of things, I will simply going to show you in this video how to do with them. I'm going to give assumption I have this database here with me. I'm going to select this database, actually the table. So if you try to check in this table here at the moment, this is the table we have. Now how can we know the way this person made this database, that even I can create the same how can I pick how can I know how did he how did he manage to how did he made this table? What are the real things on the columns, and what are the real description that I can maybe create the same database and the same table outside there in some other places. To do such kind of things, you just have to type on as describe a table. Now after saying maybe describe table, describe now what's the table name. In our case, the table name is called the form. So if I press enter, let's just select everything. So describe. I say describe the table, and what's the table name, which is called form. So if I press enter, this is what will happen. It will describe for us the fields whereby we have the student ID, student name, and student marks. Now that implies when you're trying to create it up, you have to know the fields, and the type is an integer, varchar, and then int, all still, and the value is not null. That implies they are made not null in all of them. And then the primary key is the student ID, and then in extra we have the auto increment for the ID. That implies the ID will be adding on one to what already exists. So guys, that's how you can simply describe a particular database, know it, and know the entire information inside, that you can use the same data to transfer or to do another same thing another place, if at all maybe tomorrow you want to do some other extra stuff on the same table. So guys, that's it. Please, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Always, thank you.